Come test drive the 2020 Cadillac CT4. The Cadillac CT4 not only has the exterior style, but the performance to match. The CT4 has plenty of luxury and technology features, which is highlighted by its updated infotainment center. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, keyless start, cruise control, cold weather package, front license plate bracket, tire pressure monitoring system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.